Welcome to AvaTrade, regulated broker. The best online crypto, Forex and CFD trading experience. A world-class trading experience. Be empowered to trade CFDs on FX, stocks, commodities, crypto, indices and options. Get advanced tools, personalized support, uncompromising security. At AvaTrade, they offer a wide variety of platforms for traders of all levels. 16 years of unrivaled success. 9 regulations in 6 continents. 1,000 instruments including 24/7 cryptocurrencies trading. Your money is safe with AvaTrade. Enjoy fully segregated accounts. Endless trading opportunities await. Try their advanced platforms and never miss a trade. Trade the coins of the future. Plenty of options, a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, all under one account. Sharpen your knowledge. Trading for beginners. Learn everything there is to know about foreign exchange, CFD trading, vanilla options, automated trading and much more. Get a deep understanding on online trading and enjoy some valuable trading tips and strategies to kick off your journey. You deserve the best. Click the link below this video to create your account and join over 1 million returning clients who already made the right choice.